I have tried Reductil, a pill, two kinds of pills. I have been with the doctors, I have been on the soup diet, I have, you name a method and I have done it. I choose the method because I felt that the gastric sleeve operation is, for my sake, more healthier. I did a lot of research and I stumbled on a telephone number to a coordinator in Sweden. So I phoned him and I told him that I want to book a time. Because I'm going to pay for it myself, it became also a question of money, of course, because in Sweden it's the double of the price. And in my opinion, you don't get the same care. All the coordinators, the doctors, everyone has been great. They had explained everything. I have got very good information. I have not had a single second of my stay with pain. I have not felt anything. I told my friend, have they done any surgery on me or not? No pain at all. So that was fantastic. The best thing is that you can take a friend with you, because I think that is necessary, because it's so much impressions, it's so much information, you are nervous.